Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, where we explore the amazing healing powers of nature. And today we're combining two of nature's most potent ingredients, garlic and lemongrass, into an incredible infused oil. Whether you're looking to enhance your health, add flavor to your meals, or find a natural solution to common ailments, this infused oil is about to become your new best friend. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about why this dynamic duo is so powerful. 1. Garlic, packed with a compound called allicin, which is responsible for its pungent smell and incredible health benefits, known for its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, boost immune system function. 2. Lemongrass, rich in citral, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, contains antimicrobial properties that can help fight various infections, may aid in digestion and relieve bloating, natural insect repellent. 3. Oil-based options, olive oil, rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Coconut oil, contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that may boost brain function. Avocado oil, high in oleic acid, which may reduce inflammation. By combining these ingredients, we're creating a synergistic blend that amplifies their individual benefits. Plus, infusing them in oil allows for better absorption of their fat-soluble compounds. Preparation process. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of making this magical oil. 1. Ingredients you'll need: 1 cup of your chosen oil base, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, peeled and crushed, 2 to 3 stalks of lemongrass, chopped. 2. Cleaning and chopping. Thoroughly wash the lemongrass stalks, remove the tough outer layers and chop into small pieces. Peel and crush the garlic cloves to release their beneficial compounds. 3. Infusion methods. A. Cold infusion, 6:01 to 7 o'clock. Place garlic and lemongrass in a clean, sterilized jar. Pour oil over the ingredients, making sure they're fully submerged. Seal the jar and store in a cool, dark place for 1 to 2 weeks, shaking daily. Strain the oil through a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. Add oil, garlic, and lemongrass to a small saucepan. Heat on low for 30 to 40 minutes, ensuring it doesn't boil. Remove from heat and let cool. Strain the oil through a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. 4. Storage and shelf life. 8:01 to 8:30. Store in a dark glass bottle to protect from light. Keep in a cool, dry place or refrigerate. Properly stored, the oil can last up to 2 to 3 months. Precautions and tips. While this infused oil is incredibly beneficial, there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Always perform a patch test before using topically to check for any skin sensitivities. 2. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating this oil into your wellness routine. 3. Be cautious when applying near eyes or sensitive areas. 4. If you notice any signs of spoilage, odd smell, discoloration, discard the oil immediately. 5. For maximum potency, make small batches and use within 2 to 3 months. Closing. There you have it, folks, your very own bottle of garlic lemongrass infused oil. This powerful natural remedy is now ready to transform your health and culinary adventures. We'd love to hear about your experiences with this amazing oil, so don't forget to share in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more natural home remedies, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Remember, nature has a remedy for almost everything, you just need to know where to look. Until next time, stay healthy and keep it natural.